Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can add multiple images in one Instagram story. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech, so let's get in. Now what you need to do is open up your Instagram app and then log into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, what you need to do is hit on your profile button from the bottom right menu and then hit on the plus icon from the top right and then hit on story. Now once you hit on story, it's going to open up your gallery section from where you guys can select pictures or a video that you want to upload on your on your Instagram story. So for example, I want to add this picture, so you need to tap a little bit longer so that the picture or the video that you want to select together will be selected. And the other picture I want to add is this one. Right, so now I have two pictures. So now, as you guys can see, it is giving me two options. One is if I want to upload this as a separate like I want to upload separate two stories, right? And the other option is I can also collage these pictures into a single frame. Like I can choose a layout. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose a layout, and then right here, as you guys can see, that is how you guys can add multiple pictures in one Instagram story. You guys can select multiple pictures and then you choose a template and then upload them. Alright, now you guys can also add a text to it. For example, to story is going to be a tutorial story, so that is why I'm adding this one. Now you guys can just play around with the editing, whatever suits good to you. You guys can add it and then hit on your story, and then it's going to upload to your story, which your friends can see later on. Right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like on your profile. So hit on the profile section, and then right here, as you guys can see, it is posting. It has successfully posted, but that is how your story gonna look like by adding multiple pictures to one Instagram story using templates. Alright, so guys, for the course of this video, that's it. If you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.